Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll walk you through some quick and easy steps to fix your iPhone camera if it's not working properly. Whether it's freezing, not opening, or showing a black screen, I've got you covered. So let's dive right in. First of all, let's try a force restart. Doing a force restart won't delete any data or reset any settings, it's just a simple reboot that fixes the glitches on iPhone. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. If the force restart didn't resolve your issue, let's move to the next step, which is resetting all settings. Resetting all settings won't delete any photos, apps, or data. It just reset the settings like home screen layout, Wi-Fi password, and few customized settings. To reset all settings, open Settings, then navigate to General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then reset all settings. Once your iPhone reboots after the reset, check if the camera is working or not. If none of these steps works, it might be a hardware issue. In this case, I recommend contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for further assistance. So that's all about it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.